Okay, children. So yesterday we are discussing about forming the equation of the parabola. Framing the equation of the parabola when vertices are given or directrix are given. The equation of the directrix are given. Okay?
Ma'am, your video is off.
What are the four standard equations we have learned about parabola? What are the four standard equations?
Y square is equal to 4ax.
Y square is equal to 4ax. Then
Y square is equal to negative 4ax.
x square is equal to
4ay.
and x squared is equal to negative 4.
Negative 4ay.
Write this question, children. Write this question. Find the equation of the parabola. Find the equation of the parabola whose vertex is 0, 0. Whose vertex is 0, 0. Passing through 2, 3. Vertex is 0, 0 and passing through 2, 3. Passing through 2, 3. And the axis is along x-axis. And the axis is along the x-axis. And the axis is along x-axis. Vertex is 0, 0. It is passing through the point 2, 3 and the axis is along x-axis. So what is the equation? What will be the equation of the parabola here? It is given axis is along x-axis. So what is the equation? Achyut. Achyut? Can you give the equation?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I didn't get the equation.
Axis is x-axis. Along the x-axis means it will be symmetric with respect to x-axis, isn't it? In this form you will get. So what will be the equation? What will be the equation you will get? Yes, Gauri. Yes.
Is it y square equal to 4x?
Either it will be y squared is equal to 4ax or y square is equal to minus 4ax. Y square is equal to 4ax or y squared is equal to minus 4ax. And look at the point here. It passes through the point 2, 3. Okay. So it will be either 4ax or minus 4ax. Now look at the point. Here it is 2, 3. In which quadrant it lies? 2, 3. Where it lies? Is it in the first quadrant, second quadrant, third or fourth? Where it lies? 2, both the coordinates are positive. So 2, 3 lies in the, so not here and here, isn't it? That means what is the equation here? What is the equation you can select? It is y
Positive 4a.
4ax, not negative 4ax. Okay. So y square is equal to 4ax. Y square is 4ax. So this is the equation. How we are getting the equation? Is it clear? It is along the x-axis and it is passing through the point 2, 3. If you take the point 2, 3, 2, 3 lies in the first quadrant. Okay. So because of that we are taking the form y squared is equal to 4ax. Suppose it lies in the second quadrant or third quadrant, means we can be taking the point y squared is equal to, we will be taking the equation as y square is negative.
Minus 4x.
Okay. So we are taking this point. So substitute here. This a is unknown. We want to find a. So substitute for x and y. So 3 square is equal to 4a into 3. X is 2. So 9 is equal to 8a. Therefore, what is a? A is 9 by 8. Is it okay? You substitute for x and y there. So this is value. Substitute x is 2 and y is 3. So a is 9 by 8. So for what is the equation of the parabola? Equation of the parabola is y square is equal to a we got now. Y squared is equal to 4 into 9 by 8x. A, we got the value as 9 by 8. Substitute it. Now simplify and write it in the standard form. So y square is equal to 9 by 2x. So when you cross multiply this, 2y square is equal to 9x. 2y square is equal to 9x. Is it okay, Achyut? Is it clear? Femina?
Yes, ma'am.
Write the next one. Next one. Vertex is 0, 0. Vertex is 0, 0. Vertex is 0, 0. Passing through 5, 2. Vertex is 0, 0 and it is passing through 5, 2. Passing through the point 5, 2. And symmetric with respect to y-axis. And symmetric with respect to y-axis. It is given the parabola is symmetric with respect to y-axis. So with respect to y-axis means what will be the equation?
X square is equal to 4ay.
It will be either x square is equal to 4ay or minus 4ay. Punya, why we are not selecting negative 4ay?
Both are positive.
X square is equal to 4ay. Okay, if you look at the point 5, 2, it lies in the first quadrant. So surely we will not get the other one. Okay, so substitute for x and y, find out a. After finding a, substitute in the equation, you will get the standard form. Find a. What is the answer, Achyut? What is the value of a?
I did not do, ma'am.
Why?
I'm doing.
Aparna, what is the answer you got?
Ma'am, A is 25 by 8.
It is 25 by 8. Is it correct, Sania? Are you getting the same answer here? A? So if A is 25 by 8, substitute in this equation. So equation is x square is equal to 4ay. So x squared is equal to 4 into 25 by 8 into y. So when you cross multiply, this is 2. So you will get 2x square is equal to 25y. 2x square is equal to 25y. Are you getting the answer now, Achyut?
Yes, ma'am.
Write the next question. Find the equation of the parabola whose vertex is 0, 0. Whose vertex is 0, 0 and the focus is negative 2, 0. Vertex is 0, 0 and focus negative 2, 0. The standard equation here. Focus is minus 2, 0. It lies on the negative x-axis, isn't it? So it will be the equation here, Aishwarya.
Y square is equal to minus 4ax.
Y square is equal to minus 4ax. Okay. So the focus means it is negative a, 0. So from here what is a? The value of a is 2. Comparing, we will get the value of a is 2. Therefore, what is the equation? Aditya? Y squared is equal to minus 4ax. What is the value of a? What is the value of a here? Comparing these two, minus a, 0. We got this as it is 2. A is 2. So substitute the value of a there as 2. So the equation is minus 8x. Y square is equal to minus 8x. Write the next one. Next one. Vertex is 0, 0. Vertex is 0, 0. And focus is 3 by 4, 0. Focus is 3 by 4, 0. Solve this and give the answer. So what is the answer? What will be the answer, children? Aditya? Michael, give the answer, Michael. Huh? Louder. Y square. Is it y square is equal to 4ax? Think so? Okay, here it lies on x. Okay, look at the focus. It is of the form a comma 0. So it lies on. Is that no? Aditya, is it clear? Can you follow this? Aditya, Satyan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Square equal to 3x.
Y squared is equal to 3x. Yes. Y square is equal to 3x. Write the next one. Next one. Find the equation of the parabola. Find the equation of the parabola with vertex 0, 0 and focus 0, 2. Vertex 0, 0 and focus 0, 2. What is the answer? Achyut.
X square equal to 4ay.
Substitute it and find the answer.
X square equal to 8y.
X square is equal to 8y. X square is equal to 8y. Write the next one. Write the next one. Find the equation of the parabola. Find the equation of the parabola which is symmetric. Find the equation of the parabola which is symmetric about the y-axis. Which is symmetric about the y-axis and passes through the point. And passes through the point 2, -3 and passes through the point 2, -3. It is symmetric with respect to y-axis and passing through the point 2, -3. Do this and give the answer. It is given. It is symmetric with respect to y-axis. Symmetric about y-axis and passes through 2, -3. Passes through 2, -3. Diya, what is the equation? What is the equation you will get here?
X square equal to -4ay.
X square is equal to -4ay. Okay, correct. Michael, are you doing this? So what is the answer, Nandana?
A is equal to minus 1 by 3.
Minus 1 by 3. Punya, what is the answer you got, Punya?
1 by 3.
A is 1 by 3 you will get, isn't it? Here one more minus is there. When you substitute it, your 2 squared is equal to minus 4 into A into minus 3. So A is 1 by 3. Is it okay, Nandana?
Yes, ma'am.
And what is the final answer? What is the equation? Anila Mohanan, what is the answer?
3x square is equal to minus 4y.
Yes, 3x squared is equal to minus 4y. 3x squared is equal to minus 4y. Okay, so there are 4 types of equations of parabola. What are the 4 types? Now read, what are the 4 standard equations of parabola?
Y square equal to 4ax, y square equal to minus 4x, x square equal to 4ay, and x square equal to minus 4ay.
Okay. So now Srihari, if y square is equal to 4ax, Srihari, if y square is equal to 4ax is the standard equation, what is the parabola, what is the focus you will get? What about the equation of the focus? So we got equation, point. Y squared is equal to 4ax, then the focus is
0.
a comma 0.
A comma 0.
And what about the directrix? Atul.
Minus A comma 0.
It's minus a comma 0. Okay. See, we are doing with conic section. Conic sections. Okay, the conic section means it are the different sections of cone. It are the 4 different sections we got. Okay, 4 different sections are there. Which are the 4 different sections? Aryan?
Circle, parabola, hyperbola.
Ellipse. Circle, parabola, hyperbola and ellipse. So, we learned what is the equation of a circle. Equation of the circle is given by x minus a the whole square plus y minus b the whole square is equal to r square, where the center is a comma b and the radius is r. Then we learned about parabola. Y squared is equal to 4ax, y squared is minus 4ax, x squared is equal to 4ay, or x squared is equal to minus 4ay. With this, parabola topic is over. The next we have to start with ellipse. Okay, that we will be discussing in tomorrow's class. Okay, and this session now. Thank you. Learn the formulas, learn all the formulas, and prepare for your periodic test. For the periodic test, the chapter is straight lines. Okay, I end the session now. Thank you.